Get strong.
Good afternoon, welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. My name is Mark, Daddy, and
Jelani.
and today we're gonna try this delicious pizza made in Dominican Republic, almost all off. And it has on, what kind of topping, Jelani?
Chicken and pepper.
My first time trying pizza in the DR. You can see. Yummy. What do you think?
Tastes really good, very
Talk a
meaty.
bit lower. What do you think?
It's very meaty.
Alright, it's quite delicious. And quite frankly, I wasn't expecting only 4 slices. I was expecting a medium-sized pizza, but I'm fine with this. Cost 495 Dominican peso, or about $8 US.
So very delicious. Delicious.
When I was away, I used to actually buy a lot of these pizzas. I mean, like medium slash large, and now I'll get like a medium sized pizza for like $12 to $15, and a large one for like about $20 or so. Like I said, the cost of this 4 slices, they are reasonably sliced for $8 or 495 peso, Dominican peso.
The crust is also crispy as well. The crust is fresh crispy.
This is good, I must be frank. Very good crust, and it's flavorful. The dough is great.
And we go to the final 2 slices.
And this is my final slice. Can you see that? You see that? Show them your galan. Try it up. This is good pizza. And the topping was what again, Jalan? What was on the topping?
Pepperoni and chicken.
Oh, pepperoni and chicken. It's really delicious. Yes, we are in the Dominican Republic, and we have actually left this morning to conduct some business and it was a day, but you know, everything happened for a reason. And from here, we should be fine.
So this is the end of our video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And peace.
Thanks for watching. Peace.